How to enable pattern lock on Binance application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are using the Binance app and want to enable a pattern lock, firstly open the Binance application and sign into your account. After you're signed in, tap on the menu button at the top right corner from the home screen. Now, go ahead and tap on your name at the top. On the next page, click on Security. Inside Security tab, scroll down and tap on Auto Lock. Now, toggle on the switch right next to Pattern. Draw a pattern you'd like to set for your account. Draw the pattern one more time and you'll be able to enable the pattern lock. Now, whenever you open up your Binance application, it'll ask you to draw the pattern that you enabled. Make sure that the pattern is correct and you'll be able to get back to your Binance account. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.